Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. We all need and deserve someone to rely on. This is the key message of the new video of the Calliero Live series in June. The videos of the Calliero Live series are short multimedia of about a minute that the Sector for Missions of the Salesian congregation began to produce since last February, thanks to the collaboration with the Don Bosco Intuition Entertainers Media, DBIEM, www.dbiem.org, based in France. They aim to complete the paper missionary bulletin Calliero 11 and present a theme related to the Salesian intention of the month to be used as a tool for animation, discussion and sharing within the various youth groups. In this month of June 2021, in which the magazine Calliero 11 reaches the significant milestone of the 150th issue, the video of Calliero Live specifically delves into the theme of trust. God loves those who trust. The video can be found on the YouTube channel of the Salesian Mission Sector on the sdb.org website and subsequently will be uploaded to the Sector Facebook page. At the beginning of 2021, the Salesians of Peru renewed their commitment through 4 Salesian flags that indicate their willingness to work towards the construction of a more democratic, just and supportive country. Today, we focus on the first of these flags. The priority for young people, the poorest, those at high social risk and vulnerability, explains the Inspector Don Manuel Cayo SDB. For us Salesians, young people are our main concern. We are born to respond to their requests and challenges, and the reality of a country makes our task even more necessary and decisive. Young people attending the Salesian Institute Notre Dame de Clairvaux in Ivato, Madagascar, receive food support for 2 months thanks to funds received from Salesian Missions, the Salesian Missionary Prosecutive Office in New Rochelle, USA. In addition to school and vocational training, young people are offered free morning and midday meals. More than 1,000 meals are provided every school day and other meals are provided on weekends. The center provides support to children and young people living in extreme poverty, many of whom are total orphans or at least one of the 2 parents. Currently, there are 170 primary school students and 265 students in the vocational training center. Notre Dame de Clairvaux also educates 125 young people preparing for work, and the center has a guidance and job search office with a coordinator helping young people graduating to find and maintain a stable job. The vaccination campaign against COVID-19 in the Salesian school in Parnamirim began this week. Aware of the importance of the vaccine to curb infections and restart in total safety, teachers and educators received the serum. The Salesian school in Parnamirim, which in recent months had already taken all the necessary biosecurity measures, is becoming an increasingly safe environment for students and all staff. The Salesian post-novitial community in Wisma, Jakarta has long been running a waste recycling program. In particular, thanks to Mr. Yulis Nuwa Ova SDB, a process has been developed that allows organic waste to be turned into fertilizer. The latter is then used to care for the community garden, a small gesture but useful to the environment and society in general. This activity, in addition to being in line with the objectives set by GC28, also brings an economic benefit to the community and avoids food waste. The month of May was particularly intense for the educational pastoral community of Kokopo. The students of the Don Bosco Secondary Technical School, together with the parishioners of the parish of Mary Help of Christians, have made a long journey of prayer throughout the month of May. During this month, numerous activities were conceived, including an artistic competition focused on the Blessed Virgin Mary. A significant moment was then that dedicated to the feast of Mary Help of Christians, which brought together students, parishioners, families, and the entire Salesian family of Kokopo. Finally, the community paid tribute to Mr. Sodermant Christopher Lee, missionary recently arrived from the United States. On Saturday, June 5th, at the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Atocha, Madrid, Cardinal Carlos Osoro, Archbishop of Madrid, presided over the ordinations of 3 deacons. Beveni, Marshal Yalasime, Sergi Moreno and Jesus Maria Ortega, and of a priest, Ramon Riza, all sons of Don Bosco. In this way, the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Madrid was once again witness to a great feast. After a few months of closure for restoration work, the church has in fact reopened its doors to accommodate these orders. The event was followed not only by the faithful present in the church, but also by many people connected online on the YouTube channel Salesianos Espana. In the last 2 weeks of May and the 1st of June, delegates, consecrated and lay people from all the provinces of the world participated in 3 training sessions organized by the youth pastoral sector. This initiative was designed in response to the need of the provinces to train and share the pastoral and moral keys for the effective sexual education of young people, thinking of educational criteria. The participation was very large and representative of the various realities, about 580 people in total and in the 3 days. With great competence and skill, Professor Javier de la Torre introduced participants to very delicate and significant issues at the educational pastoral level, but also personal. Chawan Meti, a Bosco Bible School past pupil, won the Integrated Youth Development Center IYDC Don Bosco Mobile Photography Contest held in April 2021 on the theme The World Through My Window. Matthew won a cash prize of 5,000 organized by the IYDC Kochi. Hailing from Old Paniduria village under Borduria parish, Arunachal Pradesh, Meti completed her middle school in the Bible school Tinsukia in 2007. She won the gold medal in MSc Zoology from the Rajiv Gandhi Central University, Itanagar in 2017 and selected for the Indo-Austrian Student Exchange Program in 2019. Meti is a visiting research student at the prestigious University of Graz, Austria. Currently, she is working as a research fellow at the Zoology Department at the University of Lucknow. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.